What is up, guys? This is Ace of Trades here, and now I'm going to do something a little different than my past videos. Today's video is a Robinhood tutorial on how to buy a call or any option on Robinhood. So what you do is I've already selected my stock, which in this case is new residential investment. So after you do that, you hit trade, and you select trade options. You then select your date. I want the January 15th call. And then I'm going to select the $8 strike. I then select the amount of contracts I want to buy. I just want to buy one right now. Check the bid and the ask. See that? I'm going to feel comfortable bidding $1.99. That'd be a max cost of a total of $199. Just hit review. Swipe up to submit. And I got filled. I now own the $8 call expiring January 15th for NRZ. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something during this tutorial.